Well, happy Monday, everybody. I'm Steve Reddick. Here's your weather forecast for the early part of Monday. The traffic may be a little bit lighter today because a lot of you will be fortunate enough to have taken Monday off or get that as part of your deal. So finishing off the Easter weekend, it's going to be a little on the rainy side and the windy side. There's a rainfall warning right now for the Barrie, Orillia, Midland area, Parry Sound, Muskoka, Grey Bruce. You'll get some heavy rains today, perhaps as much as 25 millimeters worth. And then as the temperature slides down below the freezing mark tonight, that rain could turn into some wet snow. So we'll be watching to see what happens in that area. But for us in the Golden Horseshoe, the Toronto area, it looks like it's going to be mostly clear tonight. So there'll be no precipitation once that temperature does slide down below the freezing mark. Let's check our maps and see what's going on this morning. Radar shows a little bit of rain out there. That's the green. Also a little bit of freezing conditions out there, but again, it doesn't last more than just a couple of minutes or so by the looks of things. It's moving through rather briskly, and temperatures will be on the positive side of the freezing mark. So generally speaking, we're not looking for any problems as far as freezing conditions, but we do see some to the north, say more or less the 401 and north of that happening at this point here and there. So be aware of that when you're out there driving. So things will be a little slow today, even though traffic is lighter, because we do have a fair amount of rain. Checking the bigger picture, here's that low that's moving through the area now. Behind that, as we get into this evening time, the back end of it, of course, counterclockwise rotation, high pressure comes in, clearing our skies for tonight, except in the northern parts, and cooler air coming behind, so that's why we'll be below the freezing mark this evening. But approaching will be another low from the west and bringing with it warmer air over the next couple or 3 days, and this will be good until Friday when we do see the temperatures really take a slide. At least that's how the maps are showing us right now. Here are the numbers you're going to need to know for today. A high of 8 degrees, which is a degree or two above seasonal, but it's going to be windy, 50 to 70 kilometer an hour gusts for most parts of southern Ontario. So just be aware of that when you're on higher elevations or the Skyway Bridge in Burlington or also down and around the St. Catharines area. -3 tonight, so as that system slides through, it will take with it the rain, but we're also moving into some drier air for tomorrow, but temperatures will be tonight on the -3 side of things. Tomorrow, high of 7 degrees. That will be right on what it should be for this time of year. Sunny conditions tomorrow, and will be nice for, say, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But by the time Friday comes, we're getting back into sort of February kinds of weather. I hate to say that, but we'll watch that a little bit closer later on today when we get closer to our new forecast. So that's how things are looking right now.